Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming visibility controls so you don't chase the wrong fix. Open Settings and go to Home Screen to see if new downloads or placement rules hide apps. Next, swipe left past all home screen pages into the app library and search the app name. This proves the app still exists. Also, check screen time restrictions and content and privacy settings. If the app type is restricted, it won't appear. Once done, you'll know whether to restore placement or adjust permissions. Now you move the app back where you want it. In the app library, press and hold the app icon until a menu appears, then choose Add to Home Screen or drag it onto a home screen page. That action recreates the shortcut. If the app is inside a folder or suggestions stack, open the container and drag the app out to an empty space. Make sure to drop it on a page you can reach. If pages are full, create space by moving or deleting an unused app. Finish by validating the change and resolving edge cases. After placing the app, press the Home gesture or Home button to return and confirm it appears where you dropped it. If the icon is still missing, restart the iPhone to refresh the interface. If that fails, delete and reinstall the app from the App Store. This restores the icon and preferences. If nothing works, go to Settings, right arrow General, right arrow Transfer, or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.